Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Yasin Al-Ghozi. I'm come from Polytechnic of Furniture and Wood Processing Industry. This video is made for completing my assignment in English class from Mr. Atia, and today I will tell about journal. This journal is titled Factors Affecting Economic Performance Through Participation of Zakat Recipients in Developing Business. This is from Gunadarma University. So we start from summary. In introduction, Gunung Kidul Regency is one of the regencies in the special region of Yogyakarta. One of the issues in the Gunung Kidul Regency is poverty, which is a complex issue. Zakat as an income distribution instrument in Islam can support poverty alleviation program. Zakat is proven to be an effective means to help the poor, so that zakat collection and distribution should be improved. The challenge is how to distribute zakat for productive activity to have sustainability of zakat. Zakat distribution for productive activities or ventures can be done is community empowerment. This is performed by Basnas in Mustanik Business People program. The program involves micro business people who receive zakat from Basnas to develop their business. The participants of Mustanik Business People program are encouraged to be active. They are not only program consumers but also involved in the program preparation. Moreover, social capital support is also required to support the success of the program. Literature view: Mustanik empowerment is community empowerment through the utilization of zakat by providing funding and assistance, as well as involving the active participation of empowerment communities. Zakat is not only distributed for consumptive purpose, but extinguishes secondary factors affecting economic can be distributed for productive purpose. Aimed at the survival of Mustanik. Assistance aims to change behavior according to the desired plan. This is, people are becoming more modern. For complementary roles are factor educator, community representative, and technical role. In research method, the present study was performed in Wonosari, Subdistrict Gunung Kidul Regency, with 22 zakat receiving micro business people with final education of elementary school. Questionnaire variables were measured using 5 Likert scale with item as presented in table 1 below. Research hypothesis test used structural equation modeling as with 2 exogenous variables, which were companion and social capital, more mediating variable, which was community participation Mustanik in business development, and economic performance as an endogenous variable. Result and discussion. Reliability and validity. The research instruments add high reliability and validity. As shown by Cronbach, alpha value about 0.75 and KMO value about 0.65. Respondent profile and variable description. The respondents were owners of micro business who received zakat from Basnas and had elementary school education. The number of respondents who completed the questionnaire was 22, who were 64% female, 36% male. The respondents' business fields were service, industry, trade, and agriculture. Generally, male respondents had higher response to the role of companionship and had higher social capital, participation level, and economic performance. Respondent response by age showed that 51 until 60 years old, our group had the highest economic performance. 20 until 30 years old age group had assessments of the role of companionship and lowest participation level, but they had the highest social capital. The service sector and the highest participation and high response for the role of companionship. The service sector also had the highest social capital, but the highest economic performance was reached by the industrial sector. Structural model, the roles of social capital and role of companionship were relatively different, as evident in the path coefficients of 0.548 and 0.299. It showed that social capital family is one of social capitals. In the study by Pailis, Burhan, Multivia, Ashar, 2016, attention of family effective the empowerment of Mustanik. Moreover, the study by Hamza, 2017, showed that social and religious environments affect the participation of Mustanik in developing business, and that the role of companionship in community empowerment is as a social agent. Community participation is one of the bases in the community empowerment. The research result showed that community participation affected economic performance of the program. The result supported the research result of Hamza that community empowerment affect the independence of community. So why I choose this journal? Because this journal is very interesting for me. It's because this journal is about how zakat can increase economic level someone, not just shared directly, but also it can via business development for the recipient. And from this journal, I know that zakat not only for lighten the burden of poor people, but also can improve their economic level by business development. So my personal opinion about this journal, this is a good journal because they shows the method for research. They use the questionnaire and they shows the question of the questionnaire, so the readers can know what they are asked to the respondent, and they shows the validation and the data results with attractively in chart form with color indicator. And then my suggestion, maybe they can use the interview, not just questionnaire, to collect the data, because maybe the respondent can cheating the answer from their friend, so they need interview to make sure their answer is from themselves. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.